Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a GTA 5 or other Rockstar game failed to initialize error code 1005 or other failed to initialize codes. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here is to right click on GTA or other game, go to properties, install files, browse. Then you need to just go to common and you should see a bunch of different games, and then you should see a GTA 5. So what you need to do here is to copy the path, and then you need to go to Windows Security. On Windows Security, you need to go to virus and threat protection, then select a virus and threat protection settings, then scroll down until you see exclusions, add remove exclusion, select a folder, and then just copy the path and add GTA 5. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your file explorer. Then you need to go to disk C, usually it's on disk C, and then program files. And then you should see a Rockstar games, right? So again, copy the path and then add exclusion folder, paste the path, and then add social club. And then again, do add folder, and then add a launcher, and look if the problem persists after that. If it's not working, then go to virus and threat protection again and scroll down until you see ransomware protection and turn it off, and then launch the game and the problem should be fixed. So let's try to launch the game. So yeah guys, as you can see here now, my game is working. So if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.